My name is Andrea Campbell, and I am a student at the University of Essex. I'm taking law. I'm also a senior status student, so that means that I get my law degree in 2 years. Well, I had gone to a speech from somebody from the university in Winnipeg. They come around to, talk about the senior status program, and I had never actually heard of the program here at Essex, but it was a really good choice for me because I have a degree already, and so I wanted to go into law, but in Canada it's a 4-year program, so it was an obvious draw to get a law degree here in 2 years. The whole university itself has a focus on social justice, so they really push you to speak your mind and work for what you want, and even if it makes people uncomfortable, they still want you to speak your voice. Adapting to coming to the UK, honestly, I don't find there's a lot of difference from Canada. We're a lot of the same in a lot of ways. In Canada, we do pride ourselves on being multicultural. And so when I was coming here, I thought, there's just gonna be a lot of English people. But it's literally the whole world in one place here. I did live on campus my first year, and I walked to class. It literally took me 3 minutes. But in that time, I heard 7 different languages. And it's just like, it's crazy to think that there's so many people from so many different cultures here, but you still feel so included. There's so much inclusivity that you don't feel like you're from anywhere different than anybody else. So, how long did it take me to settle in at the University of Essex? At first, I was a little timid, but as soon as you start getting involved in things, extracurricular stuff, societies, the Law Society, anything to do with sports, you make friends so quickly that you kind of start feeling right at home right away. So it didn't really take that long. You just have to make sure that you're putting yourself out there and getting involved in the school's activities. My plans after my degree at University of Essex, I'm actually completing my senior status law degree this year. I'm actually planning on doing my master's here. Their human rights program is, as I said, world-renowned, and so I'd like to really take advantage of the opportunity. I've been able to take a few human rights courses so far in my first degree, and I really enjoyed it. So that's definitely going to push me or help me in my master's degree. Because for me, I haven't decided myself that I necessarily want to practice law, so doing a master's is definitely the right track for me, and especially here because it's so great. I think my advice to someone would be, even not necessarily from Canada, just as a student in general, is to get involved and get involved in society, social activities. It keeps you busy, you meet lots of people. That's how you make friends that you really end up keeping the rest of your life. But also, if you need help, ask for it, because there's so much staff around here that will give you help if you need it. You just have to ask for it, really, because they want you to do well. You gotta take what help you can get, and they're definitely available for you here. So.